Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today is actually a collaboration with Agnes. I'll leave her link to her channel down below. But for today's video we've both done like a fall/winter makeup look. So this is the one I've come up with. I really like how it turned out, and then I'll insert a picture here of what Agnes's looks like. So yeah, so today's video, hers and mine are both done with entirely cruelty-free makeup products, which I think is great. I've learned a lot about cruelty-free from Agnes actually. She's like amazing with it all. She knows exactly what brands to use, what not to use. So now, thank you to her, I have a better idea myself. But yeah, so definitely go and check out her channel and check out her video. Like I said, I'll leave it linked down below for you guys so you can go and check her out. She's amazing. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload. Once you've finished this video, don't forget to click the link in the description to go check out Agnes's video. But this is the look I created, so if you want to see how I did this look and what products I used, then keep on watching. I have done some research and I am like 99% sure all of these are cruelty free. If you know they're not, then please let me know, just so I know not to use them in future. So I'm just gonna jump in and start with the makeup. So as always, my eyebrows are done, just saves us the world of time. And now I'm gonna go in and prime my lids. Now, I don't really use eyeshadow primer, I always just go in with a concealer. So the concealer I'm using today is the Tarte Shape Tape. When you go on their website, they do say that they are cruelty free. So I'm gonna take their word for it. And now I'm just going to set the lid a little bit. So I'm going to go in with the RCMA No Colour Powder. And I'm just going to set the lid with that just a little bit, not too much, just to help stop it creasing. For eyeshadow today, I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. I'm thinking today I want to go in with I want to do like a burgundy kind of look, like a purpley, reddy, pinky burgundy look. So I'm going to use some of these shades down here, and then I'm thinking maybe like a goldy colour in the centre. I want to do like a halo eye, I think, but we'll see what happens. So yeah, Morphe are cruelty free. Again, done some research and some googling to check. But the first shade I'm going to go in with is this one here, which is the shade Next. And I'm just going to start building the shape I want with that. So I'm just taking it on like a bit of a fluffy brush to begin with, and I'm just going to start kind of placing it where I want it. So now, with no additional product, I'm just going to start sort of buffing out those edges a little bit. So now that we're looking like this, looking a little bit crazy, I'm going to start adding a bit more depth to the look. And to do that, I'm going to go in with the shade underneath, which is this one here. So this is the shade Crazy. And I'm going to pop that in the outer third and the front, like the first third of my lid, just to start adding a bit of definition and a bit of depth. So I'm just going in with a pencil brush and just kind of stamping that on to begin with, and then just starting to buff out those edges. And then once it's on the inner corner and the outer corner, I am just going to pop it in the middle just to attach the two, so that when I cut the crease later there is that depth there. Going back in with the brush we were using earlier and a teeny bit of the shade Next on it, I'm just going to blend that out. Blend those two shades together. Now I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and just blend out around the edge, just to make sure it's not too harsh. So now I'm just going to go with a little bit of the Body Shop Chamomile Gentle Eye Makeup Remover, and I'm just going to pop it on the end of a Q-tip. And I'm just going to start removing some of the colour from the centre, just so that when I cut the crease it's not quite so, well, so it doesn't turn the base purple basically. I'm now going to go back in with the concealer I was using earlier, so the Tarte one, and I'm just going to cut the crease with that. So I'm just going to do the centre because I want it to be a halo look, like I said. So yeah, I'm just going to take some concealer and a little concealer brush, pop it on the centre, look up, so that it transfers to how high I need it. To go over the cut crease, I'm going to go in with this shade here, which is called Ride or Diamonds. So I'm just going to take some on my finger. It's such a gorgeous shade, and I'm going to pop that all over that concealer. I'm going to try. Okay, so that's not going to plan. So instead I'm going to try a different shade from this palette. So I'm going to try Drama Queen, which is this one here, another gorgeous shade, and just see if that applies a little bit better. So it's a very similar shade, it's just a teeny bit darker. So I'm just going to try it on a brush with some setting spray just to see if that applies a bit better. Okay, so that has applied a bit nicer with the brush actually. And then at this stage I'm just going to blend those edges together. So I'm going to go in with the darker shade, which was Crazy, and I'm just going to blend it in. And then just going in with like a teeny little flat brush like this, and I'm just going to blend that over the top of the glitter. I'm going to go in with a little bit of this Revolution liquid eyeshadow. Now this is in the shade Rose Gold, and I got this from the Christmas advent calendar. I didn't actually get a chance to use it in the last one, but I'm actually just going to pop a little bit just kind of straight in the centre of this. So now I want to start on the base. For foundation, I want to go full coverage. So I'm going in with the Body Shop Matte Clay Skin Clarifying Foundation. Now I know this brand is cruelty free for definite, but yes, I'm just going to go in with this foundation. And then for concealer, using my Tarte Shape Tape again, and just using this under my eyes and then in all the places I want to highlight. And now I'm going to be using the RCMA powder again. I just like throwing it on myself. And I'm going to set under my eyes, and everywhere else I'll just put that concealer to start with. And then I'm going to go in with a big powder brush and just set the rest of my face. And at this stage I'm going to go back to my eyes and just finish them off by doing my lower lash lines. So just zoom you in again. Going in with the lighter shade to start with and blowing that out across my lower lash line. So yeah, I do want it super blown out. Just making sure that's all connected up nicely. Okay, so now I'm going to move back on to the face. So for bronzer, I'm going in with the Too Faced Milk Chocolates. Rude. For bronzer, I'm going in with the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer. So I'm just going to bronze up my skin with this. For blusher, I'm going to go in with another product out of the advent calendar. If you've not seen that video, I'll leave it linked up in the cards and also in the description box below. But yeah, so I'm just going to use the blusher out of that calendar. Now it is a really, really bright blush, and I've learnt my lesson from that video. So I'm just going to go in with literally like the teeniest amount. It's still so pigmented. I literally dipped in twice. And then also just a little bit on my nose. Highlighter, I'm going to go in with this here. So this is the Revolution Highlighter Reloaded in Peach Lights. Now it has got kind of like those purple reflex in it, so I think this will go really nicely with the eye look. And then I'm just going to take a really small brush and go in with that same highlighter, and I'm just going to add that to my inner corner. I'm also just going to take this on my brow bone as well, just a teeny bit. And just put a little bit more on my Cupid's bow just to make that stand out a little more. Teeny spot on the end of my nose. Teeny bit on my bridge. Okay, so now I'm going to add some mascara. And for mascara, I'm going to use the Body Shop Happy Girl Lash. I'm not going to put lashes on in this video just because I don't know if the lashes I have are cruelty free or not, which is why I've put quite a thick layer of mascara on, which is a shame because I think this look would look so nice with a nice big pair of fluttery lashes. For lips, I'm going to do the same lip combo that I did in my last video because I really liked it. I'm going to go in with the little kit like set thing that I got in the Revolution calendar, which is these ones here. So it's a lip liner in an unknown shade, it's just this pinky colour here, and then a lipstick and a lip gloss in Adore. So I'm just going to apply that combo to my lips quickly. This is the lip combo. I'm absolutely obsessed with it at the minute. I don't usually like lip gloss, but since trying the advent calendar out and getting this, it's just changed my view on it completely. So this is the finished look. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Still not, it's not like Christmassy for me, but it's definitely a look I wear more like to fall and winter time. It's just a very warm, very nice yet still colourful look, and I'm super happy with how it turned out. So like I said at the beginning of this video, this is a collaboration with another YouTuber called Agnes, and she's also done like a fall/winter makeup look using all cruelty free items. So don't forget to go and check out her video. I will leave it linked in the description bar below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you next time. Bye!